order to save our woods, I got to cut down a couple dozen trees, and I have to do it by April 1st. But before we do that, I'm going to put on my cowboy chaps. I actually really like these. I got these off Amazon. They were like 30 bucks and they work great. And I'm not about cutting my leg off just to make a better deer hunting property. So I always wear the chaps. Safety third, right? This helmet was definitely worth 30 bucks. Let's see if the old 291 is ready for summer. Perfect. Had to get that tree to fall right in that gap because that's a live oak and that's a live oak. And the whole point of this project is keep our oaks alive. Right where this huge open area is was solid deadfall. Dead oaks, dead trees. It was a jungle. We came in here last winter, cut a bunch of trees down, opened this out. We got a nice food plot started in here. Eventually we're gonna be putting in a tower blind right there. But the reason that we're cutting these trees down, or the reason that they were dead, is because they're red oaks. And where we are in Minnesota, we get a lot of red oak wilt, which kills these oak trees. The two ways that it spreads is from roots touching other roots of trees, which I can't really control, or through beetles transferring the disease from tree to tree through open sores. So that's why we have to get this done before April 1st, before the bug season starts. Now, we're gonna come back in here in this area. We're gonna keep this food plot looking nice, and then we're gonna actually start planting crabapple trees in these openings. So we're gonna replace some of these trees we're losing with fruit-bearing trees. But for now, we're gonna do what we can to keep the forest healthy, cut down some of these dead trees, let the living trees canopy out. Got a little feed station right there. No sheds yet. Here's a good example of why I'm not leaving these trees standing. This tree right here, I marked it last summer to cut down, but it fell down already this year or this winter. But I almost took out my stand.